So in today's class, we are going to discuss about filters in Power Query. Okay. For that, let me connect it to Power Query quickly. I am on Power BI desktop now. To connect it to Power Query, just click on Transform Data. One more window, new window that got opened, that is Power Query. Now here we can see two windows, guys. One is for Power BI desktop, second one is for Power Query. Once I clicked on Transform Data, this Power Query got opened. Power Query software, right? So let me bring some tables quickly, guys. How can I bring tables quickly to this Power Query? Recent sources, right? Let me go to the recent sources. My data is in Amazon data India file, Excel file. Just let me connect to that one. Okay, let me bring orders table quickly. Yes. Then after, again let me connect it to SQL server. From SQL server or employee department Excel file. These two files I shared with you, right? Do you have this Amazon data and employee department files, guys? You have only Amazon data, right? So today I'll share this employee department also. Let me connect it to this employee department file also. From that employee department, I want to bring only employee table, guys. Let me bring it quickly. Right. Okay. Okay, guys. So I have orders table. In orders table, if I come to this region column, how many regions I have in this orders table, guys? You can see. How many regions you can see? 4 regions you can see, right? Right. Okay, out of these 4 regions, client is asking us only East region data. Out of 4 regions complete data, he wants to see only East region data. Okay, so for that, we need to implement what? Filters. Am I clear, guys? In this orders table, I have 4 regions data, right? Here, regions, 4 regions data I have. Out of 4 region, client is asking only 1 region data. What is that region data, guys? East region data. He interested in only East region data. He want to see only East region report. So in that case, what we have to do? Out of these 4 regions, East, West, North, South, we have to filter for only East region, guys. To filter the data for only East region, we have to use filters, guys. What is the purpose of filters? Is it clear, guys? So only East region data means this is the complete data. 4 regions means complete data. Out of complete data, if we want to see only subset of data means only 1 region or part of data. Out of 4 regions, I want 1 part. What is that 1 part? East region. That is sub data. East region is nothing but sub data. Out of complete data, if I want to see only sub data, then I have to use filters, guys. So that is the definition I have given here. Okay, filters. What is the purpose of filters, guys? Here to show subset of data from what, guys? From where, guys? From complete data. To show subset of data from complete data. Here subset of data means what, guys? Only East region data, right? Complete data means 4 regions data. Subset of data means only 1 region, East region data. Complete data means 4 regions data. Okay. To show only subset of data, 1 region data, out of complete data, we have to use what, guys? We have to use filters. Am I clear, guys? When we are going to use filters? Online, guys. Okay, perfect. When? Here, see, guys. Data sources will contain complete data, like 4 regions. And if we need to load subset of data, that means East region data, into powerpivot, we want to load subset of data, means only East region data. To where? To load it to the powerpivot, we will use filters in Power Query. Is it clear, guys? Okay, then. So there are 2 ways to filtering the data, guys. What are those 2 ways? Basic filtering and then advanced filtering. Okay. What is this basic filtering? What is this advanced filtering? We'll see now, guys. Right? So for that, let me go to this table. I am on Power Query now. Okay, basic filtering. For example, I want to load only which region data? If I click on this, close and apply, these tables are going to be loaded to where? Power pivot, right? If I filter only for East region data, only East region data is going to be loaded to Power pivot. If I filter the data here, let me go to the filter, guys, here. Right? So to filter the data, we have 2 types, right? What are those 2 types, guys? basic filtering and advanced filtering. Here you can see search bar, right? Search bar and below search bar, this is basic filtering, guys. This is called basic filtering. Okay, search bar and below search bar, that is called basic filtering. What is this, guys? Text filters. Okay, you have here this one, right? Above the search bar, that is called advanced filtering, guys. That is called advanced filtering. This is called advanced filtering with this option, expand option, right? Text filters, expand option. If I click on this expand option, it is going to open filters window. Under that filters window, we can see many filter conditions, guys. Many filter options we can see here. If we click on this one, guys, if we click on this one, this window is going to be opened. On that window, we can see multiple filter options. Okay. So what is basic filtering? What is advanced filtering in Power Query? Search bar and below search bar, that part belongs to basic filtering. Above the search bar, this part, that belongs to what, guys? Advanced filtering. Am I clear, guys, here? Right. Now, when we go with this basic filtering and when we go with advanced filtering, we'll see now. Okay. So I went to which column, guys? Here I went to region column, right? Based upon which column we need to filter the data, we need to go to that column. Okay, if I want to filter the data based upon state, I need to select state column like this. So for which state you want to filter the data, go to that option, you can go and search. Okay, for example, if you want to filter the data for which state, Kerala, just click on Kerala, or else Odisha. Let's click on Telangana. Okay, so first unselect this. Okay, if you want to filter the data for only Telangana, where is this? Here it is. You can filter the data like this, Telangana, and just click on OK. Am I clear, guys? I can see only Telangana data, Telangana state data under address table. Okay. Alright, guys. So instead of this, now we are going to filter the data for only East region, right? So here, guys, if I go here, search bar and below search bar is what, guys? Basic filtering. Okay. Above the search bar, if I go here, this is the advanced filtering options, guys. Okay. Now I am on which? Now I am on which data type? State is what type of data type it is? Text data type, right? If I go to this text data type, advanced filtering options are how many? We can count, guys. 3, 6, 8. 8 advanced filtering options I have for text data types. Okay, right, guys. For example, let me go to the any numeric column, guys. Sales is what, guys? Numeric data type, right? If I go to the numeric data type, okay, so these are the individual values. Under basic filtering, there will be individual values. If I go to the advanced filtering, how many filtering options I can see? 3, 7. Here you can count them, guys. Okay, how many we have? Total is 7, guys. Okay. 3 plus 3 plus, okay, 1, 7, right? So 7 we have. So for what type of data type it is? Number data type. I selected number column. Sales column means a number column, right? Here also you can see number filters. So advanced filtering options will vary based upon the data type. Okay. So previously I selected what? Text data type. Now I selected what? Sales column is what, guys? Numeric data type, right? So for numeric data type, how many advanced filtering options I have? 7. For text data types, how many advanced filtering options I have? 8. Now let us go to what is the data type left? We saw the advanced filtering options for numeric column. This is text column. Totally how many data types we have in Power BI? 3 data types. We saw for number data type column, text data type column. What is the remaining one? Date data type. Let us go to the date. Okay, go to this expand option. To filter the data, I need to go to the expand option, right? Just click on expand option. Search bar and below search bar are what? Basic filtering. If I go to the date filters, here you can see, guys, date filters, advanced filtering. For date filters, how many options I have? I have many filtering options, right? So that means what, guys? If it is a text Ship mode is a text, right? For text data type, how many advanced filtering options I have? 8. If it is a numeric data type, number data type, for number data type, how many advanced filtering options I have? 7. This is date, right? Order date means date. For date data type, how many advanced filtering options I have? More than 15, like this. 15 or more than 15. Is it clear, guys? That means what you can observe, this is a text. Okay, for text I have 8 advanced filtering options. For number data type I have 7 advanced filtering options. This is the date data type, right? For date data type I have more than 15 filtering options. Is it clear, guys? More than 15 or 10. Okay, that means what you can observe with this, based upon the data type, the advanced filtering options will be vary, will be differ. ఓకే, వ్యారీ అంటే చేంజ్ అవుతాయండి. చేంజ్ అవుతున్నాయా లేవా? నంబర్ డేటా టైప్ అయితే 7, టెక్స్ట్ డేటా టైప్ అయితే 8 అడ్వాన్స్డ్ ఫిల్టరింగ్ ఆప్షన్స్. దీస్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ అడ్వాన్స్డ్ ఫిల్టరింగ్ ఆప్షన్స్. ఓకే, if it is a date data type, how many advanced filtering options I have? Many. Is it clear? I can go with this custom filter also. In custom filter also I can see many. Is it clear, guys? Online guys, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right, guys. So now what I am going to do is, so let me copy this orders table, guys. So or else I can duplicate also. If I click on this duplicate, this orders table is going to be duplicated, right? Just click right. I duplicated that. So orders table, this is for which region, guys? I am filtering the data for only east. That is the orders table, that is for only east region, right? So I have the original orders table as usual. Here I came to orders table, means I duplicated the table. So I renamed it as orders table for only east region. I want to filter the data only for east region. How can I do that? Go to that region column. Where is that region column? Here it is, right? Just go to this. Right, guys. Here, when we go with basic filtering options, when we go with advanced filtering options, these are the advanced filtering options, right? Search bar and above search bar, those are the advanced filtering options. When we go with these advanced filtering options, when we go with this basic filtering options. Okay, so basic filtering options, when we go with means under the column, filtering column, this is my filtering column, right? If there are countable values under region column, how many unique values are there? Only 4. Countable means 4 we can count, right? So less than 10 values. Okay, under the filtering column, if there are less than 10 values, those are countable values. Okay, in that case only we have to go with this basic filtering option. Am I getting, guys? Okay, so I want to filter the data for which region? Sales, right? East region, right? Just unselect all, select only east. Just click on OK, guys. This is going to be filtered. Now how many rows you can see, guys? For east region, only 165 rows. If you go to the orders table, there are 999 plus rows. In Power Query, the data will be shown for how many rows? Top 1000 rows. Is it clear, guys? Okay, here this table, third table. This is the orders tables for which region? East region only. For east region, how many rows are there overall? Here you can see, guys. How many rows are there? 165 rows. Is the data got filtered or not? Filtered. So I can load this table, east region data, to where? Powerpivot. And I can work on this table. I can prepare the report for only east region. Am I getting, guys? Perfect. Okay. So guys, here go to this region column. In region column also you can filter now. If you go to the region column, how many you can see? Only east you can see. Okay. Right, guys. Okay, without closing this. Okay, just click on apply. If I click on apply, what is going to happen? These tables are going to be loaded to Powerpivot. Just click on apply. Right? Let me go to the Power Query. Power BI desktop. Powerpivot. Yes, I'm on where now? Sir, it is Power Query. Let me go to the Power BI desktop. I'm on Power BI desktop, right? Where is Powerpivot? On Power BI desktop? Last 2 views, right? Powerpivot. To see the tables under tables, loaded tables, where I need to go? Data view. Just go to data view. Under data view, come to this orders table, east region. Okay. Go here, guys. Here, how many regions you can see now? Only I selected which table? Last table. Orders table, that is a east region data, right? Here, how many rows you can see? 165 rows only. If you go to this region column, okay, how many you can see? Only east region you can see. If you go to this orders table, how many regions you can see? If you go to orders table, how many regions you can see? 4 regions you can see. Right? Right here. You can see 4 regions. So I didn't disturb that original table. Okay. What I did in Power Query, I duplicated that orders table. On that duplicated table, this table, I filtered the data for only east region. That is why in this table it is showing only east region data. In original table it is showing for complete 4 regions data. 1554 rows. Am I clear, guys, here? Okay, again let me go to the Power Query, guys. I am on Power Query. Okay, so till now what I did, guys, I did basic filtering, right? Basic filtering for what? Text column. Okay, advanced filtering. So advanced filtering means, once again, let me take this. This is basic filtering, or I can rename it as east region. Okay, east region data. This is what, guys? Basic filtering, right? Basic filtering. Okay, again, let me duplicate this orders table. Duplicate or copy. I can copy also. Copy and here paste. Right click on that, paste. So this is what, guys? This is a text advanced filtering, guys. Orders table, text, advanced filtering. Okay, text advanced filtering. What is that? Which table it is? Orders table, right? Orders table. In orders table, I filtering the data and text column. Okay, text data type, that advanced filtering. Okay, so for that, what I'm going to do is, here, guys, let me go here. So for example, I have customer name. Under customer name, what I want to see is, I want to see the customer names, okay, with NTR, NTR. The customer name start with either N or T or R, NTR. Okay, right. So how can I do that? Okay, so for that, go to that filtering icon. Okay, so N letters. So if can I go to this basic filtering, guys? No. Okay, I need to unselect all because of there are many values. If there are many values, which one is the means preferable? Advanced filtering is the preferable option. Okay. If I select from basic filtering, it is a time-taking process, guys. We can do, but it is a time-taking process. What I have to do? I have to unselect all. First, to go with N letters. Where are those N? Right here, N. I need to select all N letters. Right here, like this. N, Nancy. Okay, like this. I need to select. After this, I need to go to the T column. The names starting with T letter. Again, I have to select T letter names, customer names. Then after R letter customer names, right? So it is a time-taking process. To avoid that time-taking process, what is the next option? We have filtering option, advanced filtering options, right? Okay, I can go to the advanced filtering options. Okay, so for advanced filtering options, what is the better choice here? Begins with. Customer name begins with. Here all these are well-known options, guys. Not at all complex. Okay, equals to. Okay, when I'm going to select equals to condition, then I have to go with equals to, does not equals to, begins with, does not begins with, okay, ends with, does not ends with, contains, does not contains. All these are well-known options, guys. Okay, for instance, I'm telling you one begins with. Let me go with begins with. Okay, so if I go with begins with, how many options I have here? Only 2 options. Okay, if I want to go for many options means I have to go to the advanced options. Right? So here what is this? Customer name begins with which letter, guys? N, right? N. Then after, here which one this is? And or R? R operator I have to use. Okay, customer name starts with either N or customer name. Again, second option is also begins with. Here what is the next one? T. Okay, I want to add one more condition, right? Add class. Okay, here what option I need to choose? R. Okay, customer name begins with what? R, right? TR. What is this mean, guys? I want to see the customer names whose name starts with either N letter or T letter or R letter. Okay, so that is why R, I am using R condition between the letters. Okay, if I use AND, what is going to happen? The customer name starting with like this exactly, NTR. If I use AND condition, the customer name has to be start with these 3 letters, NTR. Can we see the type of name in this customer's name list? No. So that is why which option we need to use here? R operator we need to use. Am I clear, guys, here? Okay, we'll discuss about AND R operators. What are those exactly? Okay, right. So here, guys, let me just click on click, guys. Okay, guys, right? So customer names with what? T first. Okay, so there are many NTR, right? The names which starts with either N or T or R. Is it clear, guys? Okay, so I can see like this. If you go here, guys, okay, let me load this. If I load this, what is going to happen? Let me load. Yes, this fourth table is also going to be loaded there, right? Powerbi desktop. Go here. Orders table based upon text filters, advanced filtering. Alright, just let me go here, guys. Where is the customer name? Here. Here, guys. Let me filter based upon ascending order. N. The customers whose name starts with N, either N or R or T. NTR, right? Right. Is it clear, guys? How many rows we have here? Huh? How many rows? 209. Right? So like that, guys. So we saw how to filter the text related data types. We saw, right? Basic filtering we saw, advanced filtering we saw. Okay, let me go to the Power Query again, guys. I'm on Power Query. It is what? Orders is table, right? Orders is. Okay, orders is table. Let me rename it as NTR. These are text filters, NTR. Obviously, east means text, right? NTR means text itself. So you can understand from here itself, right? So orders east region means that is a text basic filtering. Orders NTR, customer names with either N or T or R, advanced filtering. Is it clear, guys? Alright. So then after, let me go with any numeric, guys. For numeric, I'm going to this employee table, right? So in employee table, what I want to see is here, guys. Okay. So let me duplicate it or let me copy and paste. Which one is easy? Duplicate is easy. Employee table. So here what is this? Employee 10th department. Basic. 10th department, guys. Okay. So employee 10 means 10th department data I want to see. Only I want to see the employee data for 10th department. Okay. For that, where I need to go? Department number, right? Under department number, if I go to this expand option filter icon, okay. So I can unselect all. I can choose 10. Just click on OK. Okay. 10th department got selected. What is this? Is it a basic filtering or advanced filtering? Basic filtering. Under this filtering column, there are countable number of values. If there are countable number of values, I can go with basic filtering, right? When I go with advanced filtering, uncountable values, many values, then I have to go with this one, advanced filtering options, right? So this is a basic filtering. So that employee 10 means what it is? Numeric data type. For numeric data type, I saw basic filtering, right? One more time, let me choose this employee table. Okay, let me duplicate this table again. This time I'm going with advanced filtering. For advanced filtering, here guys. Okay, let me go with uncondition. I'm going with uncondition, guys. So show the employees whose salary, whose department number is 30 and job equal to salesman. Okay, whose department number equal to 30 and job equal to salesman. Or else before that I can do like this. Okay, I want to filter the data based upon number, right? Here guys. Okay, so the employees whose salary between where guys? Whose salary between 2000 and 5000. Salary between 2000 and 5000 means what? There are two conditions. Salary is greater than or equal to 2000 and salary is less than or equal to 5000. Two conditions are there. This is condition 1, this is condition 2. Clear guys? Salary between 2000 and 5000 means that salary is greater than or equal to 2000 and salary is less than or equal to 5000. Is it clear guys? Two conditions I need to implement. Between I have to take, right? So for that, let me go to the table. So I'm on where guys? I'm on employee table, right? Here what is my condition? I'm filtering the data for what? Between. BW. BW means between. Okay. 2000. 2K. Between 2K. Okay. What is this? Advanced filtering, right? Can I do that with basic filtering? No. Advanced filtering only I have to do. Okay. How can I do that advanced filtering, guys? For that, first go to the salary column where it is. Okay. Right. So I have to choose the values which are between 2000 and 5000. That is the time taking process. Many values are there. If there are many values, what is the better choice? Advanced filtering. Here we have between option, right? Under advanced filtering options, I have between option. Go with between option, right guys? Here. So I can go with basic filtering or else this is advanced filtering anyhow. Okay. So under that, keep the rows where salary. What column I selected there? I selected salary column there, right? So that is it is showing salary column, right? For salary column, okay. I want to implement only two conditions. So basic is fine here. Under advanced, I have basic again, advanced again. If my conditions are 2, then I can go with this basic. If my conditions are more than 2, then I have to go with advanced again here. In advanced itself, I have basic and advanced. Okay, when I go with advanced here, if my conditions are more than 2, then I have to go with this advanced. How many conditions I need to implement, I can implement. If my conditions are only 2, then I can go with basic. Am I getting guys? Online guys, am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay then.
Yes.
Right. So between 2K and 5K, between 2000 and 5000 means what? Is greater than or equal to how much? 2000. Salary is greater than or equal to 2000. And operator I am using here. Is greater than or, the second one what I have to choose? Is less than or equal to, right? Is less than or equal to how much? 5000, right? Did I given correct values guys? Yes. Conditions are also correct. The first one is greater than or equal to 2000. Second one is less than or equal to 5000. Perfect. Just click on OK. My data got filtered. Here you can see the salaries. The salaries are between 2000 and 5000 only. Is it clear guys? Andi? Online guys. Okay, perfect. Let me go here guys. Is it clear? Perfect. Then after, I am coming to this AND condition guys. Okay, what is this AND condition? Right? Okay. Again, let me select this employee table. Let me duplicate it quickly. Here, employee table AND operator I am using guys. AND operator I am using. How this AND operator will work? for that AND operator, I have this one, right? What is this one? So your department number equal to 30 and job equal to salesman, right? So if I go here, first one is what, guys? Job equal to salesman. First let me write it. Job equal to salesman. Right, and department number equal to 30. Okay, so for this AND condition, so how many conditions I have here, guys? 2 conditions, right? Job equal to salesman and department number equal to 30. I have 2 conditions. What is this condition 1, guys? Job equal to salesman. What is this condition 2? Department number equal to 30. I have 2 conditions like this. I am using what here? AND condition. When this AND operator work, how it will work? Okay, let us come to the result. If these 2 conditions are true, then only I will get result, guys. How AND operator is working? How this AND operator is working means, if condition 1 and conditions are true, then only the result will be true. For remaining cases, my result will be false. For remaining cases, my result will be false. Okay. Here which one is false? Second condition is failing. Here first condition is failing. Here both the conditions are failing. For all these cases, my result will be failing. Am I clear, guys? What are my conditions here? Job must be equal to salesman and department must be equal to 30. Then only it will give the result. Okay. The 2 conditions must be satisfied. Then only the AND operator will give the correct result. Let us see how it is going to do, guys. So for that, let me come here. AND operator. Okay. So here I need to implement condition on 2 columns, right? Job column as well as salary column. Sorry, department column. Department number column. Last one. So you can go to any. You can select any column, guys. Either job column or department number column. You can select any one column, right? So for that, go to this job column. On the job column, go to this. So which option I have to choose here? Basic filtering or advanced filtering? Basic filtering. Huh? So if you want, you can use. But I need to implement AND condition, right? I must go to the advanced filtering options. I need to implement condition for 2 columns. So must go with advanced filtering, guys. Text filters. Okay. So go with equals to. What is this? Job equals to, right? Job equals to what, guys? Salesman. Salesman, all capital letters. Powerquery is a case sensitive language. In which order they are? On the same order, I need to type the values here. Salesman. Right? So what condition I am using here? AND. What is the second column, guys? If I go with this second column, it is choosing the same job column. Okay, but I don't want job column. I want second column is what? Department number, right? So that is why I must go with what? Advanced, not basic. Go with advanced. First column is what? Job. Job equal to what? Salesman. Obviously it got selected, right? Second, what operator I have to use here? AND or OR? Which operator I need to use here? AND operator. Job. Okay, job equals to, sorry. Is this job or department number? Department number. Second column is department number. Department number equals how much? 30, right? Just select 30. Just click on OK. How many rows I got here? 4 rows I got, right? Here you can see job equal to salesman. Department number equal to 30. Am I clear, guys? Online guys, am I clear here? How the under operator is working? For example, let me go to the employee table, guys. In employee table, let us go here, guys. Salesman. Let me bring that here, guys. Nearby job. Right. Here you can see, guys, what you can observe here. So department number 30. How many rows I have here? 7 rows, I think. 7 rows I have, right? Okay. 6 rows, I think then. Right? So this is condition 2, right? What is my condition 1? Job equal to salesman. My condition 2 is what? Department number equal to 30. So here condition 1, salesman. For salesman, how many are there? Here, right? And this one. Two conditions satisfying numbers. Okay, condition 1, condition 2. What is my condition 1? Job equals salesman. Condition 2, department number equal to 30. So it fetched how many rows? 4 rows like this. How it is fetching? Two conditions satisfying. With two conditions satisfying, it fetched 4 rows like this. Then what about others? This is also here one condition is passing, right? But it is not bringing this row. Why? Here job one condition is failing. Job first condition is failing. Here I have department number 30, but it didn't pull this row. Why? Job equal to manager means failing. If any one condition fails, it will not bring that record. One condition is passing, department number 30 equal to passing. But in my result, how many rows I can see? I can see only 4. For what? Job equals salesman and department number equal to 30. Two conditions must be satisfied. That is AND operator. Andi? Online guys, am I clear here?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. If I go with R operator instead of AND, let us take R, guys. Let me duplicate this one. Again, I'm duplicating this. Okay, this is R. If I go with R, we'll see, guys. Right. So let me go to that where job. Okay. Again, go with this text filters equals to advanced filtering. Okay, job equals to what, guys? Salesman, right? I can select from here salesman. Second one is what column? Department number. Department number equal to how much? 30. So here what is the operator I have to use? R. Just click on OK. How many rows I have here? Let me bring that, guys. Department number is I have here, right? Here how many rows? 6 rows I have here, right? 6 rows. With the R operator I have 6 rows. How R operator will work? I got 6 rows here, right? 6 rows. How it is working? So how it is working means either first condition, this is my condition 2. This is my condition 1. Either first condition is true or either second condition is true or both are true, it will give the result. Here, this first condition is failing, clerk, but second condition is passing. If any one of the condition passing, R condition will give the result. So that is why it fetched this record. Here also manager. In this manager, this condition is failing, first condition, but second condition is passing. If any one of the condition passing, it will fetch the record. So that is why it fetched this record. So total how many records I got in R condition? 6 records. With AND condition, 4 records only. Is the difference clear, guys? For AND operator and R operator?
Nagaraju, if any one condition is true, then it fetches that, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Is it clear? Okay, guys. So I think. Okay, guys. So till now, what we observed for numeric filtering, right? Let me go with this, guys. Okay. Let me choose this one. Which one? Orders table. Again, I'm duplicating orders table. Okay, I think it is taking too much time. Okay, guys.